my first time at Brainerd. I'm Aiden Sneed, I'm 15 years old, and I'm racing the MotoAmerica Junior Cup. We are going to make some changes. We're going to make a gearing change. We're going to add a tooth to the back, and then we're going to raise up the front of the bike. Thinks the bike could feel a little bit better, like mid-corner and exit, so we're going to raise the front end up.
We knew this was coming, so we have brain tires ready to go and pressure set and everything just in case.
The big thing in this class is you only get so many tire stickers, so you really got to think about the best way to use them, and if we were to sticker up a set of Reims, that would leave us a set short for tomorrow and the rest of the weekend. So knowing that it's likely going to be dry tomorrow, it makes more sense to just stay here, cozy, warm, and dry, try and get some fast laps in tomorrow.
All fine went well. Yeah, trying to make some adjustments on my Yamaha R3. You know, this thing's working awesome. I love it. And we're having a good time at Brainerd. Just like the Texas tracks. The Texas tracks are a little bumpy. This track's not far off from it.
His first season in MotoAmerica, and every weekend he's made steady progress.
My strategy for the race, I'm just trying to get in the draft, dive bomb everybody in the turn one, and then see what happens.
Going around the outside,
To do. We got more races tomorrow. Hey, it's our best finish. We finished 8th, so he's making that steady progress that we're looking for him.
Race 1, you know, is my best finish, and super pumped for tomorrow.
I really do have the best crew. The coolest thing is I've had other team owners in the paddock even say the same thing to me. They're like, man, you got some really good guys over there. This is for sure like a family effort. I love racing, like it's my whole entire life. If you have time, you should take that time and share what we love with your kids, and I'm really lucky that I get to do that.
Gained 3 positions off the start, got straight to draft because the draft is really important on the Junior Cup bikes.
Everyone's just like stuffing each other up. That's just Junior Cup racing, I think, you know, and he's starting to see how that goes, and it's kind of a really unique animal, I think, in that way. But I was really proud of the way he raced in that group. 2 8th place finishes. It's our best we've done in Junior Cup with Aiden. We're so stoked. He's going faster and he's closer to that front group. And every session he went on track, he was figuring stuff out, and his lap times were dropping. And we're just, man, I'm just proud of him, and I'm proud of his crew.
This was my first time at Brainerd. You know, it was super fun. I love my team. I love my bike. I'd say it was a pretty good weekend. We went double P8s, and I'm pretty satisfied.